Your smile comes easy, like a Sunday morning. No shadows in your laughter, no need for warning. You don't dress your love in secrets, you don't hide your shine. You just look my way once and the world feels kind. I've seen smiles trying too hard, trying to be seen, but yours feels like it's always been right in between. Your smile comes easy, and it finds me too. Makes the whole room softer, just knowing you. Your smile comes easy, like love's meant to do. No reason, no hurry, just me and you. Oh, you don't ask where I've been, you don't test my past. You let the moment breathe a little, let it last. Every time you laugh out loud, I forget the day. Some things don't need explaining, they just stay. I don't need the lights to change, I don't need a sign. If you're standing right here smiling, I'm doing fine. Your smile comes easy, like a simple truth, turns an ordinary second into proof. Your smile comes easy, I don't question why. Ooh, it feels like love showing up right on time. Whoa, if love ever feels complicated, I'll remember this, how something so simple can feel like bliss. No promises written, no plans to chase, just a smile that keeps on finding its place. Your smile comes easy, and it stays with me, like a song you don't get tired of, on repeat. Your smile comes easy, and my heart agrees. Ooh, if love feels as honest, let it be. Oh, no big words to say, no need to try. Your smile comes easy, and so does my heart. Love don't ask for much, it don't beg or plead, it don't need a perfect story or everything you read. It don't knock down doors, it don't raise its voice, it just waits right where you left it till you made the choice. I've seen hearts ask for everything, try to own the truth, but love don't ask for more than what you're ready to give to. Love don't ask for much, just a little time, just a hand that stays steady when the road ain't kind. Love don't ask for much, It don't need a plan. If you show up honest, that's enough to stand. You don't promise heaven, you don't swear the stars. You just look my way and tell me who you are. Every word feels easy, every silence too. Somehow love feels lighter when it's me and you. I don't need tomorrow spelled out clean and clear. If you're standing right beside me, that's all I hear. Love don't ask for much. No shine, no gold. Just a heart that keeps its promise when it gets cold. Love don't ask for much. No big display. It just asks you not to walk away. If the world keeps pulling, asking us to run, we'll remember love was simple before it asked for none. No list of expectations, no rules to adjust. Love don't ask for everything, just trust. Ooh, love don't ask for much, and I don't mind if it's quiet, if it's honest, if it's kind. Love don't ask for much. I'll give my part. If love only needs the truth, here's my heart. Ooh, no crown, no throne, no need to rush. Love don't ask for much.
Saturday nights, low on Sunday blues. I've been looking for a feeling in 1,000 rooms, but nothing ever stayed too long. Nothing ever fit till you walked into my day like this. I don't need a reason, I don't need a sign. Every time you're near me, the moment feels right. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing comes close. Just standing here smiling, letting love show. Nothing feels better than this. Easy and true. If happiness has a sound, it sounds like you. You don't try to change my world, you just light it up. Every little ordinary thing feels like enough. We don't chase the big parade, we don't need a scene. Every time you laugh out loud, I believe. I've seen joy come dressed in gold, leave without a trace. But this one feels like something that wants to stay. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing I've known. It's the way you say my name, like I'm home. Nothing feels better than this. I don't insist. If love ever felt simple, it feels like this. Oh, let the world keep spinning fast, let it do its thing. We're right here catching something that don't need wings. No perfect line, no lucky guess, just a feeling saying yes, yeah. Nothing feels better than this. No, time you're close to me, it feels right. Nothing feels better than this, I'll admit. If love's supposed to feel good, it feels like this. No chase, no test, no need to guess. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. I've walked some empty streets, chasing open doors, looking for a feeling I couldn't name before. Every road felt temporary, every light felt wrong, till I heard your voice calling me along. I don't need to wander, I don't need to roam. Every step I take with you feels closer to home. Love always brings me home. No matter where I've been, every time I lose my way, it pulls me back again. Love always brings me home. Through the dark, the unknown, I don't need a map or sign. Love always brings me home. You don't ask me for a reason, you don't ask me why. You just open up your arms like you've been waiting all this time. Every fear starts fading, every doubt feels gone. Somewhere in your smile I finally belong. I've known places full of people, still felt alone, but standing here beside you feels like home. Love always brings me home. Even when I fall, every time the night gets heavy, love still calls. Love always brings me home. Soft and slow, it don't rush the journey, it just knows. If tomorrow turns uncertain, if the road bends wrong, I won't be afraid of walking, as long as love is on. No perfect ending, no need to pretend. If love keeps finding me back here, I'll follow it again. Love always brings me home. Morning, night, every time I feel lost, it feels right. Love always brings me home, and I'll stay. If love is where you are, I'm already on my way. No more race to run, no place to roam. Love always brings, love always brings me home. I've been places full of people, still felt out of line. I've been chasing after moments that never felt like mine. standing here beside you, nothing feels unclear. For the first time in a long while, I feel right standing here. I don't need the room to change, I don't need applause. Something in the way you're smiling tells my heart to pause. I feel right standing here, no need to move around. Every worry finds its way out. When you're around, I feel right standing here, like this is where I belong. I don't need a better feeling, this one's strong. You don't ask me where I'm going, you don't pull me fast, you just let the moment breathe a little, let it last. Every step feels easy, every word feels clear. Somehow all the noise goes quiet when you're near. I've known love that needed proving, needed time and signs, but this feels like knowing something without trying. I feel right standing here, nothing left to find. Every second feels like home now in my mind. I feel right standing here, and I don't need more. If love feels this simple, that's what it's for. If tomorrow asks me questions, I won't rush a sound. I'll just point to this moment, standing my ground. No big dream, no perfect plan, no reason to explain. Sometimes love don't need a story, it just remains. I feel right standing here, through the calm and fear. Every step I take feels lighter with you near. I feel right standing here, and I'll say it clear, I don't need to go much further. I'm right here, no running, no fear, no doubt appearing. I feel right standing here. No, da, 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 da,
I used to think love had to shout, had to knock me off my feet, but it came in like a quiet song, walking softly down my street. No warning signs, no heavy sound, just a calm hello. Somewhere between a smile and a sigh, my heart already knew I've been wrong about love before. Tried to make it stay, but this time it didn't hurry. Love found a gentler way, love finds a gentle way. It don't rush, it don't sway, settles in your morning and it stays. Love finds a gentle way, like a promise you don't say. Don't ask for your heart, it just takes it anyway. You don't ask me who I was, you just see me now. Every step I take beside you feels lighter somehow. you call my name, it sounds the same. I've seen love come dressed in fire, leave as quick as it came, but this one feels like breathing, easy and plain. Love finds a gentle way in the things we don't say, in the quiet little moments that remain. Love finds a gentle way. It don't beg, it don't pray, it just shows up every day and stays. If tomorrow ever asks us how we got this far, we'll say it wasn't magic, it was hard. No grand design, no perfect time, just a holding on. Love didn't make a scene, it just kept moving on. Love finds a gentle way through the night, through the day, like a song you keep humming on your way. Love finds a gentle way, and I won't turn away. If this is how love feels honest, so let it stay. No rush, no claim, no need to say. No rush, no claim, no need to say. No rush, no claim. Gentle way. When you say my name, it sounds brand new, like every word I've ever known just turned into you. You don't raise your voice, you don't try to explain, but something in the way you speak makes me hear my name. I've heard it called in crowded rooms, lost inside the sound, but when it falls from your lips, it slows the world down. When you say my name, it feels like home, like I've been waiting all my life just to be known. When you say my name, it's soft and plain, it don't sound like who I was, it sounds like who I am. You don't say it careless, you don't rush it out, it lands like you already know what I'm about. Every little syllable carries something true. I don't hear just my name, I hear me and you. I don't need the lights to change, I don't need a sign. If you're calling me that way, I'm doing fine. When you say my name, I stand a little taller, like love's been calling me a little closer. When you say my name, I don't look away, it feels like love remembering where to stay. If the world ever forgets me, if the days feel the same, I'll remember how it sounded when you said my name. No title, no fame, no fortune to claim, just the way your voice calls my name. When you say my say my name, I won't pretend. If love lives in simple moments, this is one of them. Oh, no rush, no claim to change. I know who I am when you say my name. I don't need the shortest road, I don't need it fast. If I'm walking next to you, I don't mind the past. Every step feels lighter when your hand's in view. I don't care where we're going, I'll walk the long way with you. I've seen love try to hurry, trip on what it missed, but I'd rather take it slowly than run past something like this. I'll walk the long way with you. If it means we stay, I'll take every corner easy. Let the moment play. I'll walk the long way with you. I'll walk the long way. No rush, no race. If love's about the journey, I'll choose this pace. You don't promise me tomorrow, you don't swear the sky. You just look at me and say, we'll be alright. Every mile feels honest, every turn feels true. Love don't need a shortcut when it's walking next to you. I don't need the ending before the song begins. If we're moving side by side, I'm already in. I walk the long way with you, through the sun and rain. If the road gets heavy, we'll still remain. I walk the long way. Every night and day, if love's asking for patience, I'm okay. Sign, no need to choose. The road feels right when I'm next to you. I walk the long way with you, and I won't look back with you. Every step feels like a promise we don't have to pack. However long it goes, if love grows deeper slowly, then that's the road I chose. No hurry, no cue, no need to prove. I'll walk the long way with you.